Hi, to locate your lost Samsung Galaxy A35 5G, we got several ways. The first one is you can just open Google, and here you need to just use your search bar and manually enter this phrase, find my device. After that, you should visit this website with myaccount.google.com. So let's open it. And make sure that here you signed in the same Google account you are using in your Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. So after that, you would see this display. From here, you would need to choose your Galaxy A35, tap it, and after that, you would see its location, and also make sure that location is enabled on your device in the settings. You can also choose to play a sound by tapping it, and this is how it will sound. You can secure your device here, so you can just create password or pattern to lock your lost phone, and you can factory reset device like that. And another option, you can just go in Google again. From here, you need to simply tap on your profile icon, go in your Google account, and now scroll left in this section and choose security. After that, scroll a bit more till you could find this option, find a lost device. Simply tap it like that, and then as we did before, select your Galaxy A35. And after that, check its location. So as you can see, my location is turned off. We can turn it on if we just go in the settings. Here, use the search bar, manually enter location. And now I'm gonna enable it. Let's reset this Google website and simply go back in it. Choose Google account. Here, switch to security. And then find the lost device. Now I'm gonna tap on my phone, and after that we got here location, even Wi-Fi if you are connected to it, battery percentage, and we can see our device on this map. So yeah, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like and comment, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.